Hey everyone, if you've been following the AI space, you know that the biggest challenge isn't just finding a good model, it's finding a way to deploy it without managing a massive technical infrastructure. Today, we're looking at Alibaba Cloud Model Studio. Alibaba Cloud is a global leader in full-stack AI, and their Model Studio integrates the famous Qwen series LLMs. This platform allows you to use model capabilities on demand, which basically eliminates the operations and maintenance burden for developers. It's a complete digital technology and intelligence backbone. Before we start building, I have a huge update for you. Everyone can now claim 1 million free tokens per model in Alibaba Cloud Model Studio. This is a massive amount of resources to experiment with, and it includes their latest flagship models, Qwen3 Max and the vision-capable Qwen3-VL, which we're going to use today. Instead of just building a simple chatbot, we're going to demonstrate the creative and practical potential of the Qwen API by building a vision travel assistant. The goal is to solve 3 real-world travel problems that usually require a lot of manual searching. First, menu translation decoding, handwritten or local menus. Second, visual discovery, identifying landmarks or local products from a photo. And third, the packing assistant, using AI to check if your suitcase meets carry-on standards. We'll be using Qwen3-VL for this because it specializes in understanding the relationship between images and text with incredible precision. Let's start with the technical setup. In the Model Studio console, you can see options for both official Qwen APIs and OpenAI compatible APIs, making it very flexible for different workflows. To get your resource credits, you'll need to generate your 6-digit UID in the dashboard. Once you have your API key, you can set up your development environment. It's a very developer-friendly experience that gets you up and running in minutes. Now, let's move to the agent logic. This is the most important part of the build. We aren't just giving the model a generic prompt. I'm writing a specific system prompt that tells the model, you are a travel expert with perfect visual recognition. When a user uploads a photo, identify the object, translate any text, and provide cultural or practical context. For the model selection, I am choosing the Qwen3-VL model. This is the flagship multimodal model designed specifically for these types of tasks where we need to process both images and text simultaneously without losing detail. Now let's see the agent in action. Let's start with the menu translation. I'm uploading a photo of a messy, handwritten menu. Look at the result. It doesn't just say chicken. It explains that this is a specific local spicy dish, lists the main ingredients, and even suggests a drink pairing. Next, let's try what am I looking at. I'll upload a photo of a local landmark. Qwen3-VL identifies it instantly, gives me the historical background, and even mentions the best time of day to visit if you want to avoid the crowds. Finally, we have the packing assistant. I'm snapping a photo of my suitcase. The agent analyzes the scale and dimensions and tells me this looks like a standard 20-inch carry-on. You're good for most airlines. It even points out that I should double check for a power adapter based on my destination. The versatility of the Qwen API is incredible, and Model Studio makes it so easy to build these applications without a deep dive into complex infrastructure. If you want to build your own agents, use the tracking link in the first line of the description to sign up. Don't forget to claim your 1 million free tokens per model to get started. Also, make sure to follow @Alibaba Cloud on X for technical updates and more chances for credits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.